the picture, we can understand that how the meeting was there. Okay, so if we see here, yes, so you can see here, this is the first Congress meeting in India. Okay, so here we can see this the speaker. Who is the speaker here means, so we can see this Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji is leading all the people. So these are the important delegates at the time from different parts of India, and this is placed at Surat. Surat is very near to Bombay. Now Surat is present in Gujarat. But once upon a time, Gujarat and Maharashtra both are single state. So it's called as just Bombay province. So in this meeting, what they discussed means, so first of all, they discussed that what are the problems faced by Indians. The main problem faced by Indians is so British rule, because they are forcing the people to pay high taxes and also collecting high taxes from the people of India. And they have discussed that various that means various problems, not only independence. So they also discussed the problems like how the Indians are facing like untouchability. Okay, next discrimination, inequality. So what is the meaning of untouchability? So the low class peoples are not touched by the higher class people. That is called as so untouchability. Next discrimination. So difference, showing the difference, that is rich people and rich people and the poor people. Next we can see here inequality. So there is no equality between all the race. So there are some different caste are there, high caste and low class, high class and low class. Okay, high caste and low caste, like that. So not only this one, even these superstitions. India is also Indian at the time. Indians are facing these superstitions, means following the old methods blindly. They are following the old methods. Next one is India is suffering with poverty and also droughts and famines. Okay. Next, the other problems is education. So there is a lack of education in India. So education was not there for Indians. So all these are the problems discussed by this meeting in this meeting, that is called as so the year 1885. So always remember this: 1885 is nothing but the birth of Congress, that is Indian National Congress. Okay, so how this National Congress was started means, so they like this only. Next here, uh, then what are the objectives discussed means, so these are the problems and how we have to solve these problems means, first one is we have to nationalize the people. Nationalize or nationalism should be obtained. What is the meaning for nationalism? Nationalism means, so all peoples must be think of that this is our country and we must struggle hard for our country. So that is called as nationalism. నేషనలిజం అంటే జాతీయ తత్వం అంటాం. ఓకే, సో జాతీయ తత్వం అంటే ఏంటి? ఈ దేశం మనది, మన దేశం కోసం పాటుపడాలి అని చెప్తారు. అటువంటి ఫీలింగ్ మన ఇండియన్స్లో రావాలి, దాన్ని మనం నేషనలిజం అంటాం. బట్ గెటింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నేషనలిజం ఈజ్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. వై? బికాస్ we have this untouchability, inequality, and differences. So we can see differences, lot of differences is there. So for that, what we have to do? We must educate the people so that they can abolish all these superstitions, and then they can come to know for nationalism. So getting of nationalism is very difficult process in spite of this big diversity. Okay, we have this biggest diversity in the world. India is called as the biggest diversity in the world because of its different cultures, different nationalities, different traditions, okay, different languages, different regions. So getting of nationalism is very difficult one. But however, Surendranath Banerjee, next Dadabhai Nauroji, okay, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. So these are the important person. And also here you can see this W.C. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, next Subramaniam Iyer. Okay, so these are the peoples. important peoples who has thought the nationalism of our country. So nationalism is nothing but, if you get the nationalism means what will happen? Automatically all the people will start the struggling for India. But that was not there. So for that, the first meeting was discussed here. So this is the first meeting. Okay. So that is in the year, it was happened in the year 1885. Next, after that, what will happen? So just we'll see this. So in the year 1885, just only 72 delegates are attended. Okay, but here some of the foreign peoples also is there. There are two persons are there. Okay, one is Yevo Hume. His name is just Yevo Hume. He belongs to Britishers. Okay, so he also supported for forming of this INC, Indian National Congress. Okay. Next, the other person is Annie Besant. So Annie Besant is she is a lady. She belongs to Ireland, but she has settled in England. Okay, so she also came to support for formation of this INC. So these are the two important foreign people who have supported for formation of this INC. So getting of this unity is very difficult one. But however, our national leaders, they have struggled very hard to get this nationalism feeling. Okay, so we'll see there just to move forward. Yes. So if you see here the National Congress, the moderate phase. Later, next in the year 1886. So 1885 is the first meeting was held in the Surat. Next, that is the second meeting, 1886. The second meeting was held by Indian National Congress in the year 1886. Where it was held means it was held at Kolkata. Okay, in the Kolkata, so nearly 150 delegates are attended. See here. So here delegates mean nothing but just important people participation. First meeting just only 72 delegates, but in this one you can see this 1150, that means 1150 delegates are attended. And next again in the year 1887, so the meeting was held at the Madras, the Congress. So in this meeting nearly, so it was about 3000 delegates are attended. Again in the year 1888,